Okay, so hey beautiful people, so this is the finished look of this hair. This was a struggle, I'm not gonna lie, this was a struggle, guys. You guys saw me from when I pulled the wig out the package, and I did go ahead and bleach the knots a bit. I did that off camera. I went ahead and co-washed the hair. One thing I can say with this hair, because I ordered it in a #1, I will say co-wash your hair before you apply it to your head. I always stress that on all of my wig reviews, because I noticed when I was washing this hair, it had like a brown tintage that was coming off in the residue of the water. So I'm guessing that that is the color that they use, the dye that they use to dye this hair. So I will actually advise you guys to just go ahead and co-wash the hair. And upon washing the hair, I did experience a bit of shedding. It wasn't anything too excessive, but I did experience a bit of shedding. The hair does come pre-plucked, but I did go in and did more of the customization to my own liking. I didn't want much baby hairs out. I'm still trying to master that, guys. Like, don't come at me, I'm still trying to master it. Originally, when I purchased this hair from Afsister, I purchased this hair with the initial thought of going ahead and doing it in a dark ash blonde, which I think I might eventually do that, to be honest, because I'm not really feeling black hair anymore. I don't know what is wrong with me, if it's a transition I'm going through, but that was the initial thought of me when I purchased this wig, and I think I will go ahead and do it. But also I think I might repurchase another one at a later time and date to keep in a black, because black is always a standard color, especially for work or if you don't want to be too over dramatic. One thing I can say, this wig is in 150 density and it is thick, and I have to say that I love the cut that they did. It's kind of like an asymmetrical bob, but it's kind of, they said it's a pixie cut, but to me it's so cute. Like, it's so freaking short on here and it comes asymmetrical on this side. One thing that I will say again is that upon purchasing this wig, I didn't notice that, you know, because this side was short, I should have went ahead and told the customer service rep to do it on a the cutting on the left side, because I'm right-handed. So I normally do my swoops or my sweeps on the coming over to my right side. It's more comfortable. So working with this on the opposite side, it's kind of weird to me, guys. It's so freaking weird, but so far I'm loving it. It's not too bad, and the cut is just so simply amazing. I love it. I will be wearing this for the next couple of weeks, excuse me, just to see, you know, how the hair feels. And also, this hair was so freaking cheap, and it's a lace front, as you guys saw in the intro. And I did purchase this wig for, I think it was $72, but it's not bad. And then they have like a 10% discount, so you get 10% off the initial cost. And because I had a customization cap size, they said that I would have to wait 17 days, but I was so freaking surprised it came within a week. I was really surprised, really surprised. So yeah, I am loving this wig. It's very cheap, it's friendly, and it's human hair, so I can go ahead and bleach it if I want, and I just love it. And it didn't give me much of a hard time to tweeze. This side I'm not too worried about, because that side, it ain't gonna show, so I ain't gonna spend no time on that. So, but this side, oh, it's booming. Like, turning from the side, and my highlight is popping like pity I don't have anywhere to go. But anyhow, guys, so this is my initial review on this hair. I pretty much don't have much to say just upon me installing the wig, but I will be back with a update, probably a 2-week or a 3-week update. I will be back to give you guys tips. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Should I go to a dark ash blonde, or should I keep it, or should I even do the ash blonde and just get a separate one in black, you know, just to keep and just rock the two? But I am feeling this. I'm feeling like if I go to my hairdresser, I'd probably have him cut the side here a bit more shorter, so it would be more like up like that, but then have this like bone straight. Oh, guys, I have so much things. Everything is just taking time. Everything is taking time. and I'm getting sick again, so I might be slowing up with the videos after this one. Who knows, depends what mood I'm in. So anywho, love you guys, and I hope that you guys did love this video, and I will see you in the next one.